So Thomas, long time no see. How have you been?
Yeah, good. How about you?
Not so bad.
Watson, I have a question to ask you. Could you please explain?
Yeah, sure. What's that?
Okay. Could you tell me what's the real difference between Mastercard and Visa Card?
Oh, that's simple. Actually, there's no real difference between these two cards. The two are both widely accepted in over 200 countries, and it is very rare to find a location that will accept one but not the other. However, neither Visa nor MasterCard actually issue any credit cards themselves. They are both simply methods of payment. They rely on banks in various countries to issue credit cards that utilize these payment methods. Therefore, the interest rates, rewards, annual fees, and all other charges are issued by your bank, and when you pay your bill you are paying it to the bank or institution that issued your card, and not Visa or MasterCard.
Oh, I see.
The two leading credit card companies in the world today are the competitors Visa and MasterCard. Both Visa and MasterCard operate in a very similar way. While Visa claims to have 2.4 billion cards issued across more than 200 countries, MasterCard avoids direct comparison by saying it processes over 18 billion payments per year. It is difficult to find any difference in the number of locations worldwide that accept the cards, which is now estimated at close to 30 million.
Thanks! I got it.
You're most welcome.